So in example 2.3, what they given, they asked to show that the square of an integers, odd integers, is of the form of 4 cube plus 1 for some integers q. So they given generally tell about the any odd integers. We can write if you square that value, you can expand write 4 cube plus 1. For example, take we have explained 2.2, 2.1. If any one number, for example, take odd number 23. I go and divide by some other value. So 23 divided by 4. So 5 4 is 20 divided 3. So 23 you can write 4 into 5 plus 3. Okay. Maybe 23 we can write any other form. So the same number we can write as a quotient, divisor plus remainder. Like that they asked to take the odd number. If the square of the odd number, again put a write the form of 4q plus 1. What is a q? Q some integer, any value. So to solve this theorem, first you have to think about the odd numbers. For any odd numbers, 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number, 4 is an odd, 5 is an odd number, 7 is an odd number. The same odd number we can write. I can write 2 into 0 plus 1. So I want to write the form of general term I want to write. So 3 we can write 2 into 1 plus 1. 5 can write 2 into 2 plus 1. 7 write 3 into plus 1. So what is the remaining? The 2 is a common. That value alone change. 1 also same. So like what we want to take the term. This is only for odd number. Here writing order 4 into q plus 1. So this is a q. This is a remainder. This fully order. This fully dividend. This fully order. Dividend. B. This is order P. But here they asked to keep B as a order only 4. At the same time, I take only the odd number, but here they asked to take order square of the odd integer. Square of the odd integers. So just any one odd number you can write in the form. You can write the form of 2 into multiple of some integers plus 1. So I don't know what is the odd integers. I am going to take, let x be a odd integers. Let x be a odd integers. So how can write x be odd integer in this form? For any odd number, we can write 2 into multiple of some value plus 1. So that value I write in general term odd number. I write here odd number. We can write 2 into multiple some value, I take k plus 1. What is a k? K is some integers. Then k is a integers. We take in order. K is integers. K integer. K is a integer, some integers. Like that we can take. So any odd number, you can write the form of 2 into some other value plus 1. What is a k? Instead of k, you can substitute any value. Positive, negative, whatever it is. So same way, I take, let x be the odd integers. Okay. Now x we can write in the form of. So how we are writing 7 in the form of 2 into 3 some other value. So I know what is the value of x. So x we can write the form of 2 into k plus 1. So 2 should become k some integers plus 1. What is the question? They asked to square. Then we have x equal like that. Some integer. K is what? Some integers. Any other value can put. Some integers. K is some integers. Now what is the question they given? The square of the integers. The square of integers, we can write the form of 4k plus 1. So x square I want to find. X is some odd integers. What is x I assume? 2k plus 1 the whole square. Now a plus b the whole square form, we expand. So 2 square, we can write 2k the whole square plus 1 square plus 2a and b. So when we take square for 2, 4, then k square. So 2 square 4. K square plus 1, then 2 into 2 4k. So now take 4 squared from 4k. I take as a k as a common. I take 4k as a common. Just arrange it term. 4k square plus 4k then plus 1. In the 2 term I take 4k as a common term. 4k as a common term. If I take 4 outside, from k square take k, what is the remaining? Here k is the remaining. Here 1 is remaining. Then plus 1. Now, instead of k into k plus 1, the entire term, I am going to give you more variable, I assume as a q. So instead of entire we take as a q plus 1. That's why I use the word q some integer. What is a q? Man, q equal I take k into k plus 1. That's a theorem is proved. So any odd integer, if you take the square, you can write the form of 4q plus 1. I give example in numbers. For example, take any one, here take 3. If you take the 3 squared, what is the answer? 9. 9 I can write 4 into some other value. I take as a 2. 4 2s are 8. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 will come. Is satisfy the condition? So if you are number 3, if you take the square, then we can write 4 into multiple some integers plus 1. Simple. So without square, you can write 2 some integer plus 1. If you take the square for any odd number, then we can write 4 into multiple some integer plus 1. Give any one number. If you take 25. 25, what is the 25 square? We take the nearest value. So 50. 50 square what will come? 225 will come. 50 square 225. 225 how you can write? 4 into. You can remind us what will come? 1 should come. 4 into 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. That's all. So 4 into 56 plus 1. So 4 some integers 1. Some integer is called as here what? Q. So 4 plus q plus 1. Clear? So simple theorem. They discuss about only the odd number. Very beautiful theorem. So x square any odd integers we can write the form of 4 into multiple some integer plus 1. That's all.